Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, so let's solve this system of equation together. Now we are given 2a plus b plus 3c equals 11. And we have a plus 2b minus 2c equals 3. And then the last equation is 4a plus 3b plus c equals 15. Now let's label. So the second one will be the second equation, and the third one will be the third equation. Now what we are going to do here is to dissolve one of the equations, okay? And then we will distribute among the rest, okay? So I prefer dissolving the second equation because I see it to be the least, okay, the one with the smallest figures, okay? So what we are going to do is to make a the subject from equation 2 and then substitute it into 1 and 3. So from equation 2, a is the same as 3 minus 2b plus 2c. So this one will be the fourth equation. Okay, so what we are going to do is to put 4 in 1 and 3. So 4 in 1 and 3. So we start from the 1. We have a. So we have a here. So 2 times 3 minus 2b plus 2c plus b plus 3c equals 11. Now from here we can expand the bracket of 6 minus 4b plus 4c plus b plus 3c equals 11. Now we have in terms of b and c, okay? So we have b and minus 4, that will be minus 3b plus 7c, and we have 6 here. So 6 to this side will be 11 minus 6. So this one is the same as 7c minus 3b equals to 5. So this one will be the fifth equation. Okay, now let's do same to the third equation to arrive at the sixth equation. Okay, so we have 4a plus 3b plus c. So the next one will be 4 times a, but a is 3 minus 2b plus 2c. 3 minus 2b plus 2c. Yeah, 2c. Okay, and we have 3b plus c equals to 15. All right, so let's expand the bracket here. 12, 8, 8. So 4 3 12, 4 to 8. So we have minus 8 minus 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3b plus c equals 15. So we have in terms of b and c here. So minus 5b plus 11c. That will be 15 minus 12. So minus 5b plus 11c will be 3. So 11c minus 5b is the same as 3. That will be the sixth equation. Now, let's observe the C and B. So we have 7C, 7C minus 3B equals 11. So equals 5. So we have the fourth equation. Okay, this side is fifth equation, this side is C. So let's solve the system of equations. Once we are able to find B and C, it will pave way for the A. Alright. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to subtract. So we want to make this side equal. So I'll multiply equation 6 by 3 and do same to equation 5. I'll use 5 to multiply equation 5. So equation 6 times 3 and equation 5 times 5. So this times 3 will be 33C minus 15B equals to 9. So that will be the seventh equation. And 5, 7, 35, then 15, and then 5, 5, 25. That will be the 8th. So what we are going to do here is to subtract. So equation 8 minus 7. So that will be 35 minus 33. Okay. Minus 15b minus 15b 25 minus 9. So this side will be 2c. So minus be plus. So it will go. This side will go. So we have 16. Okay. 16. All right. So my C is 16 on 2, which is 8. So 8 to 16. So we have C as 8. Alright, so having C as 8, you can use any of the equation here using 5. So using 5, 7C minus 3B equals 5. But C is what? 8. 7 times 8 minus 3B equals 5. So from here, 7, 8, 56 minus 3B equals 5. So we have 56 minus 5 equals to 3B. So we have 51. Okay. 51, 56 minus 51 equals to 3. Alright. So my B is 51 on 3 equals to 17. So we have B 17 C8. 17, but we are left with A. But A from here is 3 minus 2B plus 2C. 3 minus 2B plus 2C. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, so A will be 3 minus 2 times 17 plus 2 times 8. 3 minus, so this side with 17 times 2, 34 plus 16. So we have 19 minus 34. So that would be minus 15. Therefore, A is minus 15. Okay. So that's that. So we have A, B, and C.